Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the time in your Mercedes C-Class. First, locate your vehicle's central display screen. Use the control knob or touch interface to navigate to the main menu. From there, you will want to find the System or Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing various vehicle functions, including the clock. Once inside, look for the Time and Date section to begin your adjustment. If you prefer to set the time yourself, select the manual option within the Time and Date menu. You will then see options to adjust the hour and minute. Use the rotary controller or the touchscreen to carefully select the correct hour. After setting the hour, proceed to adjust the minutes to ensure your clock is perfectly accurate. This method gives you complete control over the displayed time. For a hassle-free experience, consider using the automatic time synchronization feature. This smart option allows your Mercedes C-Class to automatically update its clock using satellite navigation or network data. It ensures your time is always precise, even when traveling across different time zones. Simply select Automatic from the time settings, and your vehicle will handle the rest, keeping your clock accurate without any manual input. Once you have made your desired adjustments, whether manual or automatic, it is crucial to confirm your settings. Take a moment to review the displayed time on your central screen to ensure it is correct. Then, look for a Save or Confirm button to apply your changes. After saving, the new, accurate time will be prominently displayed on your Mercedes C-Class dashboard, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.